to do what he needed to do.
Yeah, he's using the 3 and 9 to try to get him. Not only trying, that's such good speed. You know that?
Yeah.
It isn't like you're near. He got the bank here. There's no problem. Just roll forward, come off the 7. You're going towards the 3. You're going to draw it out to the middle. Shoot the 3 in this pocket near us.
Now he's...
Kamusta mga kaibigan? Isang classic na laban na naman ng The Magician ang panonoorin natin. Isa ito sa mga pinakamalaking tournament na nasalihan ng The Magician. Ito ang final match sa Derby Classic 9-ball. Ang torneyong ito ay nilahukan ng napakaraming legends at binuo ito ng 345 players. At sa lahat ng iyon ay natira nga si Efren Reyes at ang makakalaban niya sa final table na si James Barracks. Si Barracks ay isang upcoming star sa mga panahong ito na mula Illinois, kaya nga di inasahan ng marami na siya ang makakatungtong sa final match. Ang tanong sasapat kaya ang karanasan at swerte niya sa nag-iisang The Magician? Iyan ang titignan natin sa video na ito. Simulan na natin to mga idol. Ito ang 2005 Derby Classic 9-ball final match, Reyes versus Barracks, race to 7.
Comfortable in
Rock 1, unang sargo ang The Magician.
It's going to be in the magazine.
Okay, here we go. This is the finals of the 9-ball
End
division.
ball. No, he missed an end ball. The side ball went though.
The one in the side went. Okay, that's the ball he was pocketing
Hulog ang uno sa side pocket
in the...
at maganda ang latag ng lamesa.
Holding up real well under the situation. Look at this control.
Tingnan natin ang diskarte ni Efren dito.
Go one rail, don't hit anything, fall on the ball. Eric, when I saw him today, I said, what's he doing on the table? This is for the tournament players. He was one of the last 4. And he really is holding up very well. He's not intimidated. I think he talked himself into going on.
Sa larong ito pala ay 51 years old si Efren at sa torneyong din ito, natalo ni Efren si Mika Immonen sa semifinals.
These two players met a little while ago, matter of fact, a little earlier in the tournament. Decision won by Reyes 7-6, I do believe.
Yeah.
So therefore, Jamie Barracks really isn't the type of a player that's easily intimidated.
No, he's tough. Barracks may not shoot until he's like 3-4 games behind.
Efren started exactly like this against Immonen in the semifinals. He's in total control of the match. And from the offset of this match, it looks like he's doing the same, pocketing the one on the side and then taking care of business after.
Except for one leg, he broke, he made a ball, and he's going to run out. But against Mika missed to give him his first opportunity, and then it got like out of play.
That's exactly the way it happened. This is game.
Nakuha ni Efren ang unang rock.
Interesting factor. Not only wasn't he intimidated, it's been missing.
Rock 2, break ulit ni Efren.
Ever. That's close again. He made the one on the side though, and he played position on the 2. Look at
Pasok ang uno sa side pocket.
About, you know, when this guy, he's so articulate and what a technician.
Dagdag trivia pala mga idol. Sa taong din ito pala nanalo si Efren Reyes sa IPT 8-ball tournament nang talunin niya ang kanyang idolo na si Mike Siegel sa 2 game. At nakapag-uwi siya dito ng $200,000.
on the inside of it and didn't have to deal with it.
Straight in on the 4, Danny. Very difficult shot. Notice how hard he had to hit it, and he forced the cue ball to his right.
He had a little angle, and in this game, objects, when you got a little angle, it's enough. It will glance. See how much that glance. And look at this, automatic. He just makes it look so easy, you don't think he's ever going to miss.
Sending the cue ball to the right and then toward the 8.
He did a little different, but you know,
He had
he's
a
all right.
yeah. He must have had an off angle. I didn't see
He
it.
did. He fell on the ball right, so now he can get close to the 8 with this angle. I mean, look at this. People could watch this and think, I could make all these shots, but he's putting the cue ball there. Well, it looks like 2-0. Barracks wiping his hands. Maybe he better wait a while. It's optimistic wiping your hands.
Kay Efren ulit ang rock 2.
Well, the unrelenting Reyes once again runs out. Now the score.
Came to Houston in '84.
Well, he said 85, so I'm just...
No, he won the tournament in 84.
Rack 3. Ang gandang break na naman. Hulog ang dalawang bola.
Again, pocketing this time 2 balls on the break, and very...
Cesar Morales.
Cesar Morales.
Cesar Morales, he went for $100 in the Calcutta, and you know the whole truth of the matter? At the time, he could have said Efren Reyes.
He kicked as well as anyone.
Well, he added something new in the game when we had this any foul ball in hand. He added something. He added the kick safe.
Okay, Jimmy Barracks finally...
Let's see what happened.
Nakatayo na si Barracks. Tignan natin ang diskarte niya.
Balls in no man's land, and he's kicked it and hit it solidly.
Made the 9. Oh, he made the 9. I swear he did. Oh, no.
Okay.
Yun lang. Kinapos si Barracks sa 9.
You know, you made a statement earlier. Before the matches started tonight, he had already won the all-around 20,000, and that may have loosened his stroke up.
He smiled and stuck out his tongue. That's what he does when he does something wrong. That's the kind of a look that he gives us.
Yeah.
But
He does.
nevertheless,
Right.
again,
But he's got to be feeling unbeatable right now. The roll,
Combination sa 9. 3-0 ng score.
the ball, snookered the guy. You know, right now he's got to feel it saw for sure. The end ball went that time.
okay, here we go.
Rack 4. Pasok ang isang bola sa sargo ni Efren.
But falling short of the side.
But
And
I
also,
don't know, I wasn't even sure he was going to shoot because he could get the worst of making the ball. Oh, look at he's not going to be safe, and you know it's coming now, don't you?
and it looks like the cue ball finally came solidly behind the 3.
Okay. Barrick's second shot. Second.
Ang gandang tago sa 2.
Is really unlike.
No hit.
Bad shot si Barracks. Mukhang pinahihirapan ng gusto ni Efren ng Amerikano
Or another opportunity to push another bead on his side, and he already has.
Open table na ito para sa kanya.
Yep.
And this for the 4. So Reyes is going to have to look elsewhere for position on the 4.
He's got 5 other pockets he could play to, and I believe he played for the side. Now he's going to have to go one right.
Right corner or the lower right-hand corner?
I think it's the
Upper
close
right-hand
one, yeah.
corner.
He actually overdid it a little bit, but I'm sure he.
Dagdag trivia ulit mga idol. 2 taon bago ang larong ito ay sumabak si Efren sa SEA Games para sa ating bansa at nakapag-uwi ito ng bronze medal para sa singles division.
No, he's been snookered twice, and his only 2 shots have been kicks. One he hit, one he didn't. Both games, we even saw a ball he could shoot at. He's going to be down 4-1, and I don't think Efren's going to be 4-0. That's right, 4-0. He's got a zip.
Well, I'd like to bring up a point and will. Okay, what about alternate break in the final?
Kay Efren ang rack na ito.
I don't like that.
Rack number 4 goes to Reyes as the first
Yeah.
3 have.
And Barracks 0-0-0. There goes the end ball again.
Rack 5. Pasok ang isang bola sa sargo.
And he has a little bit of a cut, but
Mukhang mahirap ang posisyon ng mga bola sa rack na ito.
perfect shot, and he hit the 4 just like you said. Not accidental.
Andyan pa ba kayo? Kung andyan pa kayo, pa-comment naman sa baba kung taga saan kayo at babasahin natin yan sa comment section. Salamat sa panonood mga idol.
This is the final match.
Twice and stay underneath the 8 and accept a little longer shot on the 5.
That's exactly what he did. Although the longer shot looks pretty easy anyway.
Bottom cushion and end up to the left of the 7 and play position to one of the other pockets like this.
That's what he did. And he got straight in perfectly.
And then, matter of fact, Pat Fleming mentioned to me that
Yeah, it starts looking like Efren's going to win, doesn't it?
Sinimot na naman Efren ng rack. 5-0 ng score.
as dominant as
Rack 6, break ulit ni Efren.
End ball right in. I don't think he's going to like this too much, though.
Hulog ang isang bola.
looked like the James to put him on top of the 2.
No, I like the shot I come up with because it's a pretty good hit. Oh, he wants to leave.
Nag-push si Efren. Mukhang pinagbibigyan pa niya si Barracks
Sorry, he wants the guy to
Tignan natin kung makascore ng Amerikano.
Okay, he made a ball. Everybody should clap.
Well, that was solid, Danny. Yeah, that was impressive.
Rail. Nice shot. Nice shot.
If he doesn't get real good on the 7.
Well, under the layout here, it's the only one you could say could be a problem because it's the only tough situation.
Corner. I think it's slightly better.
Well, it is position-wise. Yeah.
And the reason
I
I
agree.
feel
Well, this part of the game isn't anything tricky at all.
now here's where he has to make it. Well, he's made up his mind because the angle that he's left himself with on the 6.
He would like to get pretty close to this. It would make everything easy, and I would say that's pretty close.
I'd say that that looks like he's going to hit the rail before the point. Now that we got this
Okay, let's
excellent
see.
angle,
Okay, he didn't hit it hard enough.
he didn't hit it hard enough, and he knows maybe the ball skidded somewhat. Maybe he did.
As easy as it would be if it were the first rack. Uh-oh.
No,
At nakascore na si Barax, 5-1 ang score.
he hit it clean.
Did? You didn't
Yeah.
think he cut it first time they played.
Rack 7, unang sargo ni Barax.
Went to think hill. Well, he made the other corner.
Pasok ang isang bola.
He didn't really get the results. Good.
Naturally, 3 rails to the cross-side bank. Let's see what happens there. He doesn't even want to deal with that cross-side bank or anything.
Safety play sa uno.
He just went. Yeah, he's using the 3 and 9 to try to get him. And not only trying, that's such good speed. You know that?
Yeah.
It isn't like
Grabing tago ni Efren sa uno.
a rail or something. You may win one at a time.
You know, he
Good
struck
kick.
that. Yeah, he struck a little bit too hard.
Yeah. See, now he can play position for a bit, so he might be playing for the bank. Oh, how about in the side close? No, he's going towards the 3. He's going to draw it out to the middle and shoot the 3 in this pocket.
Bank shot sa 2. Mukhang kay Efren na ang rack na ito ah.
Does. He's still going to get position without having to do anything but pocket the 3. No difficulty at all.
Not that time.
None at all.
Has to stay solid on the table because this is a very demanding shot.
He's a machine right now. He's just not going to miss it all just right.
He's going to go forward here because that's the natural way to play it, considering the position of the 8. He really doesn't have to do anything with the 7 in terms of choices on the 8 to the 9, which obviously are. So the match will then be 6-1 in favor of Reyes.
Yeah, he's taken away the little excitement there could be, and these are going to be 2 romps with the opponent never in the game. 6-1.
Kay Efren ang rack 7. Rack 8, posibleng huling rack ng laban.
There's the 1 in the corner. Got a little bit of a kiss there. Pocket the 1 in the corner.
Pasok ang dalawang bola.
Side.
He's got it
From the red 3, so there's no reason for him to play position here. He'll play some sort of a safety, repositioning the cue ball down table, perhaps in back of the orange 5, like so. Barracks once again.
Billy. No, it's short. It's short, and
Nako, sumablay na naman si Barax.
5 and 7, and play the 3 down the other pocket. Like
Open table na to kay Efren. Mukhang napagod na si Barax sa kakaupo mga idol.
Playing position for the table. I mean, I don't really see any problems out there.
no, unfortunately for Barracks.
Now, this is a little bit of a problem. Go into the 5 and something funny could happen. I don't know how he's going to play it.
He's
Yeah.
going.
There's something
You're
funny
right.
could happen
Something
here.
funny did happen. Except he's.
8 from the 7.
Well, tell me this: if you were playing, would you rather be shooting or having him shoot?
Oh, of course, I'd rather be shooting. But
Yeah, simple. You know, there's no problems here, and Barracks had no chance. In one way, he didn't have a chance to dog it either.
you know what? I don't think he was going to dog it because he didn't seem like he was a bit nervous, and he looked like he was totally prepared. You know, if the few shots that he shot was any.
Isang dominanteng performance na naman ng The Magician at naiuwi ni Efren ang $20,000. Ibang klase talaga.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go out to the floor with Tony Anagoni, who will be interviewing Efren. So